I don't know if you've ever tried to book a train ticket online. It's the most complicated process I've ever been through. It must have been easier putting a space shuttle on the moon. It's insane. Like, the first bit makes sense. They ask, where are you going from? Where are you going to? Like, what's the date and what's the time? Like, they need that information, you know what I mean? Then they ask, like, what sort of ticket do you want? Do you want a first? Do you want a standard? Do you want a single? Do you want a return? Do you want a peak? Do you want an off-peak? Do you want a super off-peak? Do you want a super off-peak midweek? Do you want a super off-peak midweek, advanced, super saver, anytime, family and friends, senior saver, discount, fucking travel? I don't fucking know. I just want to go to Coventry. I don't even want to go to Coventry. I've got to go there for work. Won't even cover the cost of this fucking ticket. Stop punishing me for having to take part in this cruel charade, you know what I mean? I get down further, they'll like select a seat. It's like, do you want to be near a luggage rack? Do you want to be near the toilet? Do you want a quiet coach? Do you want a plug? Do you want Wi-Fi? Do you want a table? Do you want a window seat? Do you want an aisle seat? Do you want to be going the same direction as the train? I hope I'm going the same direction as the train. I'm travelling perpendicular to the train, just levitating 10 feet above fields of barley. I'm not going to end up in Coventry, am I? Get down even further, they ask for all the information you could possibly need to get a mortgage application in my name. It's like, what's your title? What's your first name? What's your last name? What's your address? What's your big long credit card number that you can't read because it's all in that square writing from 1972 for some reason, it's rubbed off in your pocket? What's the date on it? Not that date, the other date. What's the little pissy number in the back? Please do not tick here if you don't not want us to not send you. I don't know what to, I know what I tick. I send them 500 spam emails right up my arse, you know what I mean? Put in your email address, put it in again, just in case you fuck it up the first time, you fucking moron. Create a password. Then I click the thing to buy the ticket, it says there's already an account associated with this email. I can't remember the password, I'm not Rain Man, you know what I mean? To click the thing to get a new password, that sends it over to my email address. Like, I've got to log into my email account, like sift through all the spam they've already sent me, like find the thing with the like link in it, go in there, click on the link, brings me back over to the train site, but it's lost all that stuff I spent about 3 days putting in. It's Tuesday by this point, I'm late for work, I'm fucking raging, you know what I mean? I'm like, East Midlands trains, you can suck my dick. I don't like suck my dick, that's a good password, I'll remember that, suck my dick. I always remember, type it in, suck my dick. Comes back, it's not long enough.